welcome to my channel. My name is Simplykrystelle. Today's video is going to be a tutorial of this look that I got right here. I wanted to do like a bronzy gold summer glowy type of look because I know like it's summer and it's like very bronzy. It's very easy to do this look. Before we get on to the video, please make sure that you click that subscribe button down below and also give this video a big thumbs up and comment down below what your go-to like summer look is. Let's get on to the tutorial. I'm gonna be going in with the Brown Sugar palette by Colourpop, and I'm gonna be starting off with the shade Jamocha as my transition shade. Now I'm going to take the shade Sorrel from the palette and I'm just going to apply that in my crease area. This is like a mid-tone brown. It's so gorgeous, so beautiful. Now I'm taking this Tarte palette and I am dipping into that dark chocolate shade Daybreak. And I'm going to be applying that to my outer V corner of my eyelids. And now I'm just going back in my Brown Sugar palette in the shade Jamocha, and I'm just going to apply that back in my transition area because I felt like I lost a little bit of that transition shade. So I'm just going back to just add more transition to my eyelid. So I wanted to do like a type of look with my eyelid where I went from a light gold to a more bronzy gold. So closer to my inner tear duct, I am taking that light gold, and then towards like the outer lid, I'm taking the darker bronzier gold, and I'm just going to apply them, and I'm gonna try to like kind of like mesh them a little bit together so that there's no like harsh difference, so that they can kind of like melt in one, if that makes any sense what I'm saying right now. I'm taking the Milani 2-in-1 foundation in the shade Chestnut. I have like a love-hate relationship with this foundation. I like the coverage, but sometimes I feel like it's so thick, but I just don't know how I feel 100% about this foundation yet. I have to keep wearing it and trying it to see if I really love it or if it's just like an okay foundation for me. I don't know. What do you guys think about this foundation? Now I'm taking my Jouer concealer in the shade Amber, and I'm just going to apply that on my under eye area. And this is like a concealer that's my skin tone, so I'm just applying that for like darkness corrector. And then underneath of it, I'm going to take the Too Faced Born This Way concealer in the shade Chestnut, and I'm going to apply that underneath the concealer just to give my under eyes a more highlight look. Now I'm taking the Fenty loose powder in the shade Honey, and I'm just going to apply that where I applied concealer just to set those areas of my face. And now I'm just taking the shade Cashew from the Fenty Beauty loose powders, and I'm using that shade on a sponge just to set the rest of my face. So now I'm taking the Fenty bronzer in the shade CoCo Naughty. So I really wanted like a bronzy type glow on my face, so I'm taking the Cover FX enhancer drops in the shade Candlelight, and this matches my eyelid shade, so I thought it was really like cute to just kind of pair them together. So I'm taking this blush from e.l.f. in the shade Always Spicy. I didn't want to do like a too much of a bright blush, so I just took this blush. It's like a very like muted natural blush on my skin tone. It's very natural, like an everyday blush that you could use. So now I'm going back in my palette and I'm using Jamocha to smudge on my lower lash line. And with a pencil brush, I'm going to go on top of Jamocha with Sorrel. And the reason for me using this pencil brush is just so I can get a more precise application with this. To highlight my inner corners and my brow bone, I'm taking Ginger from the palette. This is such a beautiful gold in this palette, so gorgeous. And for mascara, I'm taking my Holy Grail It Cosmetics Superhero Mascara. I don't know what was going on with this mascara today, but it was clumping so much. And I tried combing it out and it was just not working with me. So anyways, this process, like the whole putting on mascara this day, it was so hard for me because it kept clumping and it wasn't like looking nice. So it just was so much that day. But we powered through, guys. So for my lip liner, I'm taking one of my favorite lip liners ever, the NYX Toast Lip Liner. If you are someone who uses MAC Cork a lot, this I heard is a great and amazing affordable dupe for MAC Cork. I don't use MAC Cork because I am cruelty free and MAC is currently not cruelty free, but this lip liner is so beautiful. It goes with every single lipstick. Every like nude, anytime I'm doing like a nude lip or with like a lip gloss, I always use this lip liner with it. And for my lips, I'm doing a glossy look. I'm using the e.l.f. Mocha Twist Lip Plumping Gloss. I absolutely love this lip gloss. If you are of deeper skin tone and you're looking for a perfect natural nude lip gloss, this lip gloss is beautiful on our skin tone. Even if you're not dark skinned, this lip gloss I think is so beautiful on all skin tones. Gorgeous. That is it for this look, you guys. Thank you so much for watching my video. It means so much when you guys watch my video. It means so much when people subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching again. I really hope you guys love this video and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.